Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the document and confirming essentials: resolution, color mode, and layers. Make sure smart objects are enabled so edits stay non-destructive. Once opened, inspect the Layers panel and name key layers to avoid confusion. This helps when you mask or apply filters. You should also set rulers and guides now. View rulers, so alignment is precise. If anything looks low resolution, use image size to confirm dimensions before heavy editing. You proceed with core edits using adjustment layers to correct exposure, contrast, and color. This preserves the original pixels. When isolating subjects, add a layer mask and paint with a soft brush at 20–50% opacity for gradual blending. Apply smart filters to smart objects so you can tweak effects later. Use layer comps to save versions. This lets you toggle options and export alternatives without duplicating files. Make incremental saves. Use save as with version numbers to track progress. You finish by reviewing at 100% and applying final corrections with clone stamp or healing brush to remove artifacts. Export a copy. Use save for web or export as to choose format and quality. Keep a layered PSD for future edits. Once done, verify color profiles and convert to the target profile only at the last step, because converting prematurely can shift hues. If export looks wrong, reload the PSD, recheck profiles, and re-export to fix color mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.